Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to recover suspended Hamster Kombat account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your suspended Hamster Kombat account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your email. But before then, I will advise you, we will talk about two things that can cause your account to be suspended. If you are using a multiple Hamster Kombat account on the same device, your account can be suspended, because in this case you are using the same IP address and then you are using two or more Hamster Kombat accounts on the same IP address. And once they get to know that you are the same person using multiple Hamster Kombat accounts on the same device, your account can be suspended. So if you want to use two or more Hamster Kombat account, is supposed to be on a different phones. So if you have two phones, you can just use Hamster Kombat on both of them, but not on the same device, because in this case you are using the same IP address. And also some of you guys are using a third-party app to be tapping on the screen, and once they get to know that it is a spam tapping, your account can be suspended. So let's look at how you can easily face this. To face this problem, open your email and then click on compose. Now you can see two. So two means we are writing this to Hamster Kombat, so support at hamsterkombat.com. So you can see support at hamsterkombat.com, and then you go to subject. So with the subject you can write issues with account log in. Then you come to compose. I have written something over here, so you can also repeat same. So you can see, dear Hamster Kombat support team, I'm having trouble logging into my account. Then you add your username or the CEO name. I have tried resetting my password, but I still can't access my account. Please help me resolve this issue. Thank you for your time and assistance. Sincerely. Then you add your name over here. So after typing this over here, you can take a screenshot of it and then just copy this whole thing, or I'll pin it under the comment section, so you can just copy it from there. So once you are done with this, just send it to Team Hamster Kombat, and they will ask some details about your account and your account will be recovered. But please, it takes some time, so don't panic after sending them this email. Just take your time and they will get back to you. Now for the second solution, you can contact them through X. So once you go to Twitter, you can just tag at Hamster Kombat, so at Hamster Kombat over here, and then you paste same over here, and just once you tag them at Hamster Kombat, then you click on post, and once you click on post, they will just attend to you and ask you some details about your Hamster Kombat account, and your account can be recovered. Please, you can click on the link under the description to join my Telegram community so that we can link up over there. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.